Let's make an extended front post double crochet. I have videos on post stitches, but we'll do it again anyway. But the first thing I just want to show you, I've just got some random stitches here. I've got 3 double crochet, regular double crochet here. We need to also know how to make an extended double crochet. So that's a yarn over like a normal double crochet, pull up a loop, and for the extension bit, we first drop off just 1 loop on its own, like that, before we complete our regular double crochet. There is a tutorial on that as well somewhere. Do it again, yarn over, pull up a loop, drop 1, then 2 twice for an extended double crochet. And what you'll see happen here, these are my regular double crochet here, 1, 2, 3, but these are slightly taller. They're pulling up a little bit, as you can see. Now I'm going to turn that stitch into a post stitch. Whoops, tangled up. So what we're going to do is we start as for a normal double crochet, and we're going to wrap around the post of the stitch. I'm just going to give myself a bit of room so I can move over to here. So there's the post of the stitch. That vertical section of the stitch is called the post of the stitch. This one is bigger, you can see it better there. There's another one there. So you'll be instructed to do a front post stitch, and that's where you're going to go. You're going to go down from the top and up from the back around that full post of the stitch and make your stitch. So yarn over, pull up a loop from around that post. Now we're doing extended double, so the first thing we're going to do is drop off 1 loop, then drop off 2 twice, and that gives us an extended double crochet around the post of a stitch. Let's do another one. Yarn over, down and up around the whole stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2 twice. There's another one. And what you'll see is, because we're working from the front post only, these stitches are not enclosing the top of that stitch. They're enclosing the post. They're not enclosing the top loops, you can see. Let's do another one. Yarn over, down and up, pull up a loop. Drop 1, drop 2, drop 2. Now from the back, when you turn it, the only thing you can see of that stitch is the horizontal bars where you've wrapped around the post. There's your normal extended double crochet going into the stitch itself, and here is your post, front post, because they're made from the front and they wrap around the post of your stitches. That's it. In this case, it's an extended double crochet for a little bit of extra height. Okay, there you go. Front post, extended front post double crochet. Easy peasy.